is Rohan Phatak. Today I am going to show you the first task under Data Science and Business Analytics internship of Sparks Foundation, which is prediction using supervised machine learning algorithm. The objective of this task is to predict the percentage of student based on the number of hours he studies. So here I have imported all the necessary libraries which are required. Then this is the URL where our dataset is. Here I have displayed only first 5 entries of the dataset. Then I have described the dataset. Described means here we will see the actual count, its mean, its standard deviation, its minimum value, 25%, 50%, etc. This info function gives us all the necessary information, which is not null, data type of the values which are there in the data set, column names also. This info function I actually used to check whether the data set consists of any null values or empty values. Luckily this data set does not consist of any empty values, so we are good to go. Then here I have plotted the data set using matplotlib library, which I have already imported previously. Here I used this grid function. If we don't use this grid function, the background lines which we see, vertical and horizontal lines, will not get displayed if this value is false. As we can see, this is a perfect example of linear regression, which means as the number of hours student studies increases, the number of percentage he or she will also get increased. Suppose student studies for 6 or 7 hours, then he or she will definitely get percentages around 60 to 70%, or at most 75% also. Now we will prepare data. Prepare the data means we will divide our dataset into training dataset and testing dataset. Here from scikit-learn model we used a train test split method, which will divide our dataset into training and testing modules. Here we use a test size equal to 0.2. This 0.2 means out of 100% only 20 values will get used as test dataset, and remaining values will get used as training dataset. Now here actually we used our model. For this model we used a linear regression. Here we provided X train and Y train. After that we have plotted the regression line. Now we are making prediction using the test dataset which we have created previously. This is the result we get. Now comparing the actual and predicted dataset, actual result was 20, whereas predicted we got 16, while in case of 27 we got 37. Now we can also check our prediction using our own values. So here, if suppose student studies for 8.55 hours, then he will get more or less 86.75%. Here is the model evaluation. This is the mean absolute error we get, which is 4.18. This error should be as less as possible. As this is 4.18, we can say that our model predicts the percentage based on number of our student studies more efficiently. If we got this error less than 4, then we can say our model predicts the percentage more effectively. So thank you.